Alright, what's up guys? So today I'm going to talk a little bit about this chair right here. This is the IKEA Markus. So this chair that I got, the version I got, is the leather one, but it's all PU leather, polyurethane, and basically it's just fake leather. Something like to note about the leather is the armrest and the headrest are like much softer than the leather on the seat. And then the price. So the price, it was $220 for the leather version. I think the other one was $180. Okay, and then the unboxing experience. So from like the moment I cut the box open to finally like finishing assembling it, it took about like 30 minutes. Personally, I'd recommend doing it with another person because some parts are like heavy and like hard to deal with. But overall, it's like super easy setup, and I definitely recommend. But overall, it's like a super easy setup. So I'm gonna talk a little bit about the features of like this chair from the bottom up. So the first thing are the wheels. The wheels have like this special mechanism where like apparently it's not supposed to roll when you're not sitting on it, and like there's like a lock mechanism or something where it doesn't roll, but it still rolls. Like but it's not a big deal because like I don't know, it's a chair. Also, the rolling is okay. It's like not crazy smooth, but it doesn't really bother me because it's not like I'm like rolling this around a lot. Underneath the seat, there's two options. On the left side, there's a lock. And what this lock does is allows you to adjust the back of the seat. So like when it's unlocked, you could like lean all the way back, and then once you lock it, then it'll make it stiff. I would say this is good just for like when you're working, and generally I'd prefer a stiff upright back when I'm working just to keep myself a little more focused. And then the right side, there is the height adjusting. So yeah, you just go up and down the seat. The armrest, they can't move. You can't move these armrests. They're fixed in this place, which kind of sucks because you can't really like tuck the chair under the desk unless you push it all the way down, which is too much work for me. So I kind of just leave my chair sitting in the middle of my room. The seat back, so there's like a back support. It works pretty well, but I think my only concern would be like you don't really get the full support if you're sitting like towards the middle of the chair. So like right now I'm sitting at the middle of the chair and I'm slouching a bit, but if I put my butt all the way to the back, like that's when I feel like the support on my back. So that's like something to watch out for when you use this chair. The back's pretty comfortable, it's mesh, it's breathable. Oh, the seat. Speaking of breathability, the seat, it's like, it's leather, but I don't know if leather is supposed to be cool, but this, it gets kind of hot sometimes. Like, I'm not gonna lie, if I sit here for like 2 hours, my ass starts sweating. Last thing is this headrest. So the headrest it's okay. I like that it's high, but I also don't like that you can't adjust it to make it even higher, because you know I'm like 6'1", so this ain't really cut it for me. Like my head like pokes over the top, and like a lot of the headrest real estate is like where my neck is, which doesn't really help at all. There was actually another IKEA chair that had a headrest that was adjustable. I would have gotten that, but it's also more expensive and it was not in stock. But yeah, it would have been really nice if they had that for this. So with like having said that, I think like the ideal height of the person that should be sitting in this chair would be like maybe like 5'6" to like 6 feet. Like 6 feet is like the max you can go before like, yeah, I don't know, it feels weird. But overall, I think this chair is really nice. It's comfortable. very comfortable compared to my last one. It definitely supports my posture like a lot better, and I can spend way more hours sitting in this chair. So thanks for watching my video. Drop a like. If you have any questions about the chair or just comments, drop it in the comments, and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.